Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these delicious cinnamon rolls using a tube of Crescent rolls. And for an added bonus, we're going to make some honey cinnamon butter. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we have already melted our butter, so we're going to generously butter our muffin tin. You want to make sure your can of Crescent rolls is still chilled, because this is going to make it easy to tear that dough using the perforated lines that are provided. Take your melted butter and lightly brush each triangle. We're almost done. Now you want to take your cinnamon sugar and generously sprinkle it on each triangle. Also, at this point, you want to go ahead and add any other ingredient that you like before rolling up your cinnamon roll. So now we're simply going to start rolling our cinnamon roll. We're going to start at the wide end and we're going to roll it to the narrow end. How simple was that? Now we are ready to add our rolls to our muffin tins. We're going to put 2 rolls in each cavity, overlapping the center to make a nice little swirl. We're going to place our cinnamon rolls in a 350 degrees oven, and we're going to let these bake for 15 minutes. While our cinnamon rolls are baking, we're going to make some honey cinnamon butter. So in my bowl, I have some melted butter, and I'm going to add some powdered sugar to my bowl, and we're going to get those 2 ingredients well incorporated. Now my butter is a little bit too melted, so once I get my sugar dissolved into my butter, I'm going to stick it in the freezer for about 5 minutes so it can solidify. exactly what we're looking for right here. So now we're just going to add our remaining ingredients. We're going to start with some cinnamon. We're going to follow that up with some salt, honey, and vanilla flavor. And we're going to get those well incorporated. And we are ready to get into some cinnamon rolls. Our cinnamon rolls are ready. Let's plate these beauties up. I've already got my plate dressed and ready to put my cinnamon rolls on there. Guys, these are so beautiful. You are really going to enjoy this recipe. Make it your own. I say that all the time. But these are so good. And do not skip out on making that honey cinnamon butter. You're absolutely going to love it. This simple little recipe will be great for a brunch, a breakfast, or just a simple dessert. I promise you're absolutely going to love this. Okay, we've already cut it in half and it's piping hot, and we're going to get some of this butter on there. And I'm going to give you a close-up. Check it out. My goodness. Y'all, I just can't tell you enough. They're good. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And always remember, keep life simple. And we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.